Okay, student. Now we are on quality factor of series resonance circuit. What is quality factor? Okay. This is generally written as QF or quality Q factor. What is this? This is defined as QF is defined as the voltage magnification. Voltage magnification of what? Of series. किस तरह का सीरीज? RLC सर्किट, RL and C circuit in resonance. Okay, क्या है? Quality factor is defined as the voltage magnification of series which type? We are studying RLC series circuit. Until now we have not studied RLC parallel circuit. Therefore I am mainly saying about series circuit means RLC series circuit. Okay. Then this is defined as voltage magnification of series circuit which is in resonance. So voltage magnification क्या है? Magnification you know. This is the ratio. Magnification is what? This is anywhere magnification is ratio. Then which type of ratio? Ratio of voltage. Then Q factor is written as voltage magnification. That means a ratio of VL or VC. कैसा? Reactive inductive voltage of inductive reactance equal divided by voltage of potential drop across resistor. VL by VR is known as quality factor. What VL? We had taken this circuit, okay, this series resonance circuit, which I have already explained you. This was V, this was VR, this was VL, and this is now what? VC. Then other ratio of VL or VR or VC by VR. So what we have taken? हम लोग इसमें क्या लिया? This VR is what? Okay. Then what we had taken? VR was equal to R in potential drop of this one. That is what? R into XL is what? VR is what? VR is equal to XL into I. Okay. Then just write down. I have already clarified it. ये सबसे पता है. Then VR is equal to what? According as this XL by into I, and this is what? XC. This is VR equal to RI. Okay, then cancel it out. This is what? XL by R. Okay, we know XL is what? XL is inductive reactance, that is omega L. This is what? Omega L by R. Okay, then you can also define Q factor is equal to omega into L by R. Okay, now this you know that omega is what? That is 2 pi f, and here a special frequency f. So this will be written as omega will be equal to 2 pi fr into L by what? R. Okay, and already we have ड्रिवन दिस रिलेशन क्या था हमारा, एफ इक्वल टू क्या था, 1/2 पाई, हाँ था ना, इंटू 1/√L C, ये था। वी हैव ऑलरेडी ड्रिवन की रिजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना होता है, 1/2 पाई 1 डिवाइडेड बाई √L C। तो यहाँ हम एफ आर का वैल्यू 2 पाई आर, यहाँ देखो दिस इज 2 पाई एफ आर इज इक्वल टू 1/√L C, ओके है ना, 2 पाई का पाई है, then 2 पाई एफ आर इक्वल टू 1/√L C, then put this value 2 पाई एफ आर, then here 2 पाई एफ आर इक्वल टू what, 1/√L C, है ना। क्या लिख दिया, 2 पाई आर का, ये देखिए 2 पाई एफ आर का वैल्यू यहाँ से ले लिए, तो 2 पाई आर एफ इक्वल टू 1/√L C, तो 2 पाई एफ आर का हम वैल्यू ले लिए 1/√L C, 1/√L C, ये लिख दिए। और अब क्या है, ये आपका बच गया L और ये बच गया R, हो गया, ठीक है। देन राइट डाउन, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको 1 इंटू L को हम √L इंटू √L लिख सकते हैं, क्यों, वी जस्ट वांट टू कैंसिल इट आउट। तो L कैन बी रिटन एज √L इंटू √L, एंड दिस √LC may be written as √L into √C by R, then cancel it out, okay, then this is what, R is pure 1/R, okay, and root on both L and C, then this is √L/C, okay. Then what we are getting, this quality factor depends upon what, bit quality, again I am concluding, फाइनल आपको बता दे रहे हैं क्या है क्वालिटी फैक्टर, क्या है, क्या होता है, वोल्टेज मैग्निफिकेशन। क्वालिटी फैक्टर इज डिफाइंड एज द वोल्टेज मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ सीरीज RLC सर्किट विच इज इन रिजोनेंस। तो रिजोनेंस में जो RLC सर्किट है उसका वोल्टेज मैग्निफिकेशन को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, क्वालिटी फैक्टर। वी नो दैट मैग्निफिकेशन इज व्हाट, मैग्निफिकेशन इज सिंपली रेशियो ऑफ टू वोल्टेज, मैग्निफिकेशन मीन्स रेशियो ऑफ वोल्टेज, तो वोल्टेज मैग्निफिकेशन इज व्हाट, दैट इज रेशियो ऑफ टू वोल्टेजेज। देन UF इज व्हाट, रेशियो ऑफ VL एंड VR, किस चीज का रेशियो, एंड पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस रजिस्टर इंडक्टर, इसके अक्रॉस जो पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप है VL उसका, और पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप अक्रॉस VR। तो व्हाट वी हैव रिटन, क्युमुलेटिव फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू VL बाई VR। वी नो VL इक्वल टू XL इंटू I एंड VR इक्वल टू R इंटू I। Here we have cancelled out I, then we get XL by R। XL, we know that XL equal to what, omega into L, omega equal to what, 2 pi alpha, then omega equal to 2 pi FR is resonant frequency and L and R. Then we have already found out the value of resonant frequency। पिछले क्लास में हम लोग क्या किए, resonant frequency का वैल्यू निकाले थे, वो कितना था, FR was equal to 1/2 pi 1/√L C। तो इसको 2 पाई को इधर ले गए, तो देन दिस इज 2 पाई FR इक्वल टू 1/√L C। देन वी हैव पुट दिस वैल्यू है, तो हम 2 पाई FR का वैल्यू दे दिए, कितना हो गया 1/√L C एंड इंटू L बाई R। वी हैव रिटन 1 इंटू L को हम लोग क्या कर दिए, √L इंटू √L ले लिए। वाई, टू कैंसिल आउट दीज थिंग्स, नीचे हमारा √L है, तो वी हैव रिटन L as √L into √LC means root of L, root of C, and R is, then we cancel out √L, then what is left of √L, here √C and R, then this is 1 by r, and root under value of on L and C both, then root under LC. Then what we finally get? This value, quality factor, is the voltage magnification. It means ratio of VL and VC, VL and VR, or VC by VR, and this value depends upon is equal to what? 1 by R into root over L by C. It means this value depends upon resistance as well as inductance as well as capacitance. Okay, if resistance क्या हम देख रहे हैं, यहाँ से क्या देख रहे हैं कि Q is proportional to 1 by R. इस रिलेशन में ये these are constant. Q is proportional to root over L. Q is proportional to root under L, and Q is proportional to 1 by L. Okay, तीन चीज देखें. So what we get? Quality factor depends upon resistance. If the resistive value is high, quality factor will be low. It depends upon L also. Then if the value of L is high, quality factor will be high. Again it depends upon C, capacitive value. If capacitive value of the circuit is more, quality factor will be less. Okay, then you have understood quality factor. Then I have explained you what those were, what resonant frequency. In previous classes I have clarified you series resonance, phasor diagram, angle between both, every diagram of VR, VL, VC. Here I have explained resonant frequency, resonant curve, band width, and what? Finally quality factor. Okay, I think go through this, and these are important. Okay, है ना. आपका ये अलग अलग चीज है इसका RLC सर्किट का, और इससे सबसे छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन आपका ये एग्जाम में आता है. Therefore go, and I have just given short videos, कि ज़्यादा का नहीं है, 12, 13, 14 मिनट का है. तो देखिए अलग अलग कर दिए हैं सब, अलग अलग जो मन है जो देखिए. ओके.